Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? This is going to be a video about what you do if you notice that your bottom fixtures are all rusted and just decrepit and looking all shaggy like this and like that. Um, these, when they get this bad, the cable is going to be your #1 priority, because this is going to get all rusted and then that will fray. And then you've seen some of my other videos. I'll list them at the end of this video. They'll fray and snap. Now, if you live in a climate where you don't get a lot of moisture, we're out here in the Midwest, so this happens a lot. So what do you do when you get these rusted old bottom fixtures and rusted cables and decrepit rollers? Well, you call professional service such as ours, 630-271-9343, and we will get you new bottoms, fixtures, new cables, and new rollers. You can see there too. This is a clamp job. Just want to double confirm that the spring was correct. Sometimes we get on a lot of these spring jobs where other companies have been, and there's just a lot of hack work out there. Let's put it to you that way. So I'm going to show you real quick what we did here. There we go. Brand new bottom fixture, new screws, new wheel, and you can see nice shiny new cable. This happens to be a job that we do all the time, bottom fixtures and cables. Sometimes the bottom fixtures are not that bad where we can brush them with a wire brush, but like this, and we'll brush them off. And then I've had other people spray paint on there, or that tree pruner stuff, or rubber, spray rubber to alleviate the problem. Most times the problem is because there's water pooling over there. And it looks like right here you can see this is where water might be getting in right here. And you can see the bottom tracks are a little bit rusted there too. So I would probably, let the homeowner know about that. Maybe put something in there to keep the water from pouring in. And it's the same over there, that same gap. So we'll probably recommend that they do that. Then this way they don't have water pouring in there, and then this is going to be a problem that they're going to have again, which you don't want. So that's what you do when you get rusty bottom fixtures. Call Innovative Door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. Check us out on Google. A couple things going on there in promotions. Thanks for all the subscribers. If you haven't subscribed and you want to see some good content like this and tech tips for garage doors, we're going to start putting some more of those on. It's been kind of lazy in that area, but we'll start popping some of those on. Thank you for subscribing, all my fans. You guys are the best. You're the bomb. Stay healthy, stay safe. Drop a question, drop a like, drop a comment. We'll help you out any way we can on the page. Thank you for checking us out. There's my America Loves Duncan hat, because we're Duncan fans, as you can see. Little plug for them, shameless plug. So thank you for watching our rusty bottom fixture and decrepit cable and roller garage door video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video, and we'll talk to you on the next one.